All right, the next carts that we have to talk about today are fiberglass basket carts. So we make these in-house also. There's only a couple people in the country that make them. So fiberglass is a really strong cart. It's a glass fibers and resin that are heat cured together. It's a real strong cart, and it's very dense material, whereas a poly or a plastic cart is going to be more porous. So why would you want a dense cart over a porous? Well, the dense cart helps prevent the growth of mold, bacteria, mildew. There's really no place for it to grow. Now, when you get a porous cart, like a poly cart, or even like a vinyl basket cart, there's more places for mold to grow. It's easier for it to grow. And once it gets in those pores, it's really hard to get it out. And so a fiberglass cart usually just stays looking real clean, and it doesn't grow mold, bacteria, and mildew. But to help with that process, here at TQ, we have something we can add to the resin. It's called TQ Guard, and it actually prevents the growth of mold, bacteria, and mildew. So it's something that you wouldn't have to worry about any mold growing inside your cart if you put the TQ Guard into the resin. Now, it is a small upgrade. I mean, we're talking just a few dollars, but for the long run, it's definitely one of the best upgrades that we offer on this product line. So our basket carts come standard in a few colors. Tan is a standard color. We also have like slate blue, gray, and dark blue. But we can also do upgraded colors such as black or really any other color of the rainbow. All of our carts come standard with 5-inch wheels, as you can see on both of these. They have precision sealed ball bearings inside the wheels, so it makes them real easy to push and pull no matter how heavy they get. We do have a few standard sizes that we can offer. Now, we really aren't able to customize the size of the cart because we do spray molds, fiberglass molds, so we're kind of stuck in sizing, but we have a 5 or 6 different variety of sizes, ranging from the big carts, like a 30 bushel cart, or a 14 bushel cart, or all the way down to a 10 bushel cart. We have other options available too. It comes standard with 2 rigid, 2 swivel, but we could do all 4 swivel wheels on there, or we could do 2 rigid, 2 swivel with locking tabs, so you could hit the tabs and they become all 4 swivel. We have the ability to do custom logos on the carts. Another great point about fiberglass carts is that they're fire retardant. So that's great. You know, it's a fire retardant chemical that's added into the resin that makes them fire retardant. But so they're great in laundry situations where spontaneous combustion does occur, because poly carts, which a lot of laundries use, are actually highly flammable. Whereas, you know, with a fiberglass cart, if a fire did start inside a cart, it would be contained inside the cart. Whereas if it was a poly cart, the whole cart would catch on fire, it would catch other carts on fire, and then we have a huge catastrophe. It's also important to keep in mind that fiberglass is much more durable than a poly cart or a vinyl basket cart. You know, fiberglass is probably 3 times as strong. It's a very strong, dense material, especially when you put the glass fibers and resin and they bond together. So just contact me today and we can definitely get you set up and work out what carts you need.